How to share screen in Messenger Room. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to your Messenger application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the chat and the profile that you want to share screen to. Now to share the screen, what you have to do is you have to make a video call. So just tap on the video call option at the top right corner of the screen, and after tapping on that, just make sure that the other person receives the video call, because without video call we cannot share the screen. So as the person receives the phone call, you can see the option of share at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that and you can see the option of share. So just tap on that and then you'll be sharing. Then a little pop-up would be there, so tap on done and you'll be able to share the screen. Also, if you want to stop it, then you can tap on stop and you'll be done. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.